One potential barrier to accessing mental health treatment can be cost, but there is help available. And here with us to discuss is Sweetser spokesperson Justin Chenette. Justin, thanks for coming in today.
Absolutely.
So why is cost a concern, and what resources are out there for families?
Well, we've come a long way, but mental health is still not treated on the same playing field as physical health, and that's a problem. It's a problem because there are individuals that are underinsured and uninsured, and so therefore they might not be able to access mental health or substance use treatment because cost can still be a barrier. And frankly, the last thing families should have to be worrying about, are individuals when they're seeking out recovery services and mental health services, is cost. It should be about their own healing journey. So Sweetser set up the Mental Health Matters Fund. We provided $1 million worth of care to families who had an inability to cover that cost of that care. That speaks to our organizational values, but it also speaks to the need across the state and why we need to help fellow Mainers in need.
Which we know the need is growing. It's not getting smaller.
Absolutely, it's
Right.
growing, and so we need to lean on one another. We need to make sure that we recognize that as a society, access to mental health treatment affects all of us. So everyone deserves that access, and no one should be turned away.
So how can people get involved?
Absolutely. Well, we have an event coming up. We're very excited about it. The 32nd annual Sold on Kids auction. If you've been doing an event for 32 years, you're doing something right.
That's true.
But it should be super fun. It's happening Thursday, September 19th at Brick South on Thompson's Point. And there's anything from hors d'oeuvres to desserts and live and silent auction items, live band plushes performing, and then a special performance by American Idol contestant Julia Gagnon. And as Maine and the rest of the country is discovering more and more about Julia, she's using her platform for good, and in particular sharing her own journey with mental health on social media. And so we're really excited for a special performance by Julia at the event. So we're really happy that Julia is again using her platform to raise awareness for mental health. And so we're excited to hopefully raise $250,000 both to fuel this Mental Health Matters Fund, but also youth programs in particular.
So important. All right, Justin, thank you so much for joining us.